In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use the Auto 101 Pro GM tool and learn about its key features. Let's start with the Get Info button, which allows you to read vehicle information. Make sure your OBD device is connected to the vehicle. As you can see on the screen, the device is connected and ready. Now let's tap on the Get Info button. A dialog will appear asking to back up SDM data. Turn the ignition on, engine off. Would you like to back up data from the BCM? If you want to back up the data, make sure the old BCM is connected to the vehicle before selecting Yes. We'll select Yes to proceed with the backup. The application is now successfully connected to the vehicle. We can see the connection is established, the voltage is good, and vehicle information is displayed. The backup data was successful. And that's how you use the Get Info function in Auto 101 Pro GM tool. Now let's explore the Setup SDM button. Make sure the new BCM is connected to the vehicle before proceeding. Tap on the Setup SDM button. A dialog will appear asking to use backup data. Turn ignition on, engine off, and wait 10 seconds. Would you like to use the backup SDM data? Select Yes to use the previously saved backup data. The application is now connected to the device. The voltage is good and stable. The tool is now writing backup data to the BCM. Writing is in progress. The writing is complete. Success. The Setup SDM process is now finished. Your SDM data has been successfully restored to the vehicle. That's how easy it is to set up SDM using Auto 101 Pro GM tool. Next, let's learn about the Crank Relearn function. Now tap on the Crank Relearn button. A dialog appears with important instructions. Apply and hold the brake pedal. Ensure that no other DTCs are present. The engine is at normal operating temperature, running and idling. The gear is in park or neutral and the AC is off. Read the instructions carefully, then tap OK to proceed. The device is now connected. The voltage is OK. The ECM is ready. Now raise the RPM until fuel cut, usually around 4,000 to 6,000 RPM. Then turn ignition off for 10 seconds. Please follow these steps exactly as shown. This allows the system to relearn the crankshaft position sensor. The process is complete, and that's how you perform a crank relearn using Auto 101 Pro GM tool. Simple and effective. Now let's look at the BPPS Relearn function in Auto 101 Pro GM tool. Make sure your OBD device is connected and ready. Tap on the BPPS Relearn button. A dialog appears with the relearn instructions. Turn the ignition on, engine off. Do not press the brake pedal during the relearn process. Place the transmission in park or apply the parking brake for manual transmissions. Read these instructions carefully, then tap OK to start the relearn process. The device is connected, the voltage is OK, the system is now running the relearn process. Success. The BPPS Relearn is complete, and that's how you perform a BPPS Relearn using Auto 101 Pro GM tool. Now let's explore the Relink VATS function in Auto 101 Pro GM tool. Ensure your OBD device is connected to the vehicle. Tap on the Relink VATS button. An information dialog appears. This function relinks the ECM, BCM, and VATS module on most non-GM Global A or Global B vehicles, and also on Global A Chevrolet Express and GMC Savannah. The process takes approximately 12 minutes. Please have a strong battery and turn off all accessories before proceeding. Turn the ignition on, engine off. Wait 10 seconds, then press OK. Great. The device is connected. Voltage is OK. The ECM is now connected. Key accepted. The BCM is connected. Key accepted again. Excellent. Relink VATS. Success. Now leave the ignition on for 10 minutes. Once this time has elapsed, the security light should turn off. Then perform the following steps. Turn ignition off for 30 seconds. Turn ignition on and start the engine. Clear any stored DTCs if needed. The process is now complete. And that's how you perform a Relink VATS using Auto 101 Pro GM tool. Remember to follow the timing instructions carefully for best results. Now let's learn about the DTC and Clear DTCS functions. Make sure your device is connected to the vehicle. Tap on the DTC button to read ECM, BCM, and SDM diagnostic trouble codes. The system displays all stored codes in the vehicle. You can see the complete list of any issues. Now let's clear these codes. Tap on the Clear DTCs button. A dialog appears asking, "Do you want to clear all module DTCs?" Select Yes to proceed. DTCs cleared. And that's how you read and clear codes using Auto 101 Pro GM tool.